So let's talk about Chain Opera. Its short name is COAI. It's sitting at $1.57 right now. And I've covered this coin yesterday as well, and I'm covering it pretty much on daily basis. The reason for that is that I see that it is a coin that is requested a lot. And when I see something that is requested a lot by community, I end up making a lot of videos on it. This coin, we had a support area at $5. If you have watched my previous videos, I have made quite some videos about it. Even before it crashed, it went down. We discussed this case scenario, and I told you that if it loses the area of $5, it will pretty much go down towards $1. It will go down and react to different areas. It will react to $3, maybe to $2, not $2, the $1.7 area. But eventually it will head down towards $1, which is not because that it is a support area. The support area is actually at 50 cents, but $1 is more of a psychological area, and I think that is where it would like to start reversing from. And so far what we have seen with this coin is that it has gone down to 1.3. So the overall deliverance on this bearish structure of double top has already started. It is already in action, and like I've mentioned, that it going down to 30 cents and all that kind of stuff is really possible. And I even told you that as it goes down to $1, then it can pump towards $6 and $8, and then it will be in news and everywhere. Why? Because from $1 to $6 is 600%. From $1 to $8 is 800%. Everyone will forget about the overall disaster that we have experienced. So it will become this new hotshot coin in the town. But we should not forget the fact that will be a dead cat bounce. It will go up only to come down and go down further. So the low that we will see now that it will create, let's hope it will create a low now at around $1. From here, once it starts going up, whatever up it creates, $6 or $7 or $8, whatever it does, it will start going down. And the upward journey it would be more likely a wick. It will not be even a full candle body. It will start plummeting down back. So if you are someone who is doing DCA, like I have mentioned yesterday, that if you want to do a DCA, starting a DCA at 1.7 is sensible. So you do your one DCA at 1.7, then you can, right now it's sitting at what, 1.58. No, I wouldn't touch it here. I would do another DCA only at $1, and third and last DCA would be at 50 cents. These would be my 3 DCAs that I would do, assuming I'm stuck in this coin. If I'm not stuck in this coin, I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't make entries with it. If I want to make an entry, I think I would do it closer to $1. If I want to take a chance with it. Why? Because there is a possibility of gaining some profits with it, considering how we expect the month of November to be green. Considering that story, if I want to start taking my chances, buying it closer to $1 is a sensible decision. But before that, jumping onto it, I did see some people jumping onto it around $3. I think that is nasty, considering how it is sitting now at 1.5. From $3, that's a 50% drop, and that's pretty horrific, if you ask me. Anyway, with this coin, this is pretty much the case scenario that I had shared with you yesterday as well. 1.7 was our first area of interest. Below that, 50 cents is unfortunately our next area of target, and it is sitting right now here. And that's pretty much it with the COAI. This coin, I mean, I have already clearly mentioned why it went down, what has happened, how the whales are milking it, why I don't expect it to go up, how the upward journey is only a 30% probability. When I say upward, I'm talking about $20. So that stuff is a very low probability now. The downward journey is more reasonable, that it will do a dead cat bounce one time. After that, it will go and create a new low, which means that if it stops at $1 this time, it will go towards, after going to $6, it will go down to 50 cents and 30 cents, all the promised land that I have offered you. But that is for later. Right now, we should be expecting a reversal. So it should start reversing from here. Once the market gets green, this coin will get green as well, because I think all the whales, which is just 10 people, they have started milking it pretty heavily. They have moved the funds to serious projects, serious in a sense, bigger market caps like people call it, like Solana, Ethereum and other coins, whatever are their favorite. They have moved those funds. Now when the market gets green and those coins go up, they will come back. Maybe not them, but other people will come back and start buying this coin, and then we will see one last rally of a dead cat bounce, and then after that we will say sayonara to this coin. And I think by end of November, December, we will start seeing it crashing again, and then next year it will create a new low for us. But that is for later. For now, let's hope for a reversal, so it starts going up from somewhere around here. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.